Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Vidyarthipoint. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today's topic is 10 lines on National Unity Day. National Unity Day falls on the 31st October every year. Narendra Modi inaugurated National Unity Day There is a famous saying that unity is the strength by India. A statue of unity is a statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Situated at Kewadia, Gujarat. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the best example of uniting the nation. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the inspiring personalities in India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has a vision for the best India. On the National Unity Day, everyone come together to show the respect to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. On National Unity Day, swearing programs are held by Indian government. Schools and colleges organizes quiz competitions, speeches and many more for students on National Unity Day. Thank you.